Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Today's video is all about what is in my hospital bag for my planned C-section. I obviously do not know exactly what I need. I've watched a lot of videos, have a lot of resources to refer back to, and I think that I'm doing the best with what I'm given here. I'm told that I'm going to be at the hospital between 2 to 4 days, and I want to be comfortable, so I might be bringing a lot more than others might have brought. And to me, I don't care if I'm going to be there for more than 2 days. If I'm going to be there up to 4 days, I want to be comfortable. So yeah, let's get into it. Let me show you guys what I'm bringing. Think that I'm leaving anything out, please tell me. I'd like to know, because unfortunately I am a forever C-section candidate. I have a history of fibroids, so because I had a surgery back in 2019, unfortunately I'm no longer able to have a regular vaginal birth. So in case that I missed something this time, just let me know for next time. So to start, obviously bringing wipes. It's necessary. With COVID, no COVID, it's super important to make sure that you're clean. So yeah, item number 1, wipes. We need this. Put this here for now. So in here, we all know after you give birth, your period comes. So I'm bringing my own diapers. I know the hospital is providing the pads and like that little waistband, I guess, to kind of like keep you together. I'm bringing my diapers, and I will use their wipes, because I'm not gonna go out and buy some if they have them. So got a couple of those. I'm gonna try not to make this unorganized because it took me a while to pack. Some of y'all just destroyed y'all entire bag that y'all put so much effort to packing up. Like, no, we're not doing that this way. I have 3 maternity bras, like nursing bras in here. The ones that attach, I'm only gonna take one of them out. So we have this kind of, I got this from Motherhood or something like that. Easy for nursing, because I do plan to breastfeed. So I have 3 of these in here. I do have a 4th one. I'm gonna wash it tonight and add it in here. So 3 nursing bras, and then some high-waisted panties. I got these from Target. I think this is the Jockey. I was looking at Auden, A-U-D-E-N, but they unfortunately ran out while I was there. So when I got there, so I went with the next best option, which was the Jockey one. So these look super cozy. I'm so excited to wear these because I just want to be comfortable. It's all about comfort when you get there. So far we have the diapers and nursing bras and panties. So putting that back. All right. Oh, what I should add in here that I ordered off of Amazon is my hair, my bonnet, because I know I got braids, which are easy to kind of like, I guess, maneuver through, but I just don't want to have to touch my hair too much, So got my little bonnet. I'm gonna add that in here that I ordered from Amazon. And let me know if you guys want me to add the links to the description, because I can. So I'm bringing my own pillows for my husband since he'll be there with me. So I ordered pillowcases from Amazon. Just regular pillowcases. Like, and I washed them with like the baby detergent already. I got issues, but you just want to be prepared. Compression socks, super necessary. Whenever, like I know, like whenever you have a surgery, like there's so much air that goes into your body. Everything starts to swell up. So I don't know. So far, thank God, I have not had like the symptoms of like the edema and like the feet swelling up, and I'm super thankful for that. So I'm just gonna roll up prepared just in case. Blanket. I know the hospital has some, but I think that I want to still have my own. Again, it's all about comfort and trying to pretty much be in a good space like while you're there. Like you want to bring the things that are going to make you comfortable and not really miss so much of home. Like obviously we are going to miss home, but what are you going to do? So you got to bring home wherever you go, right? So bring my own blanket. Got my mask. 10-foot charger. And now we get into the clothes. So I have this dress that I ordered off of Amazon. Saw a lot of mamas out here that recommended wearing loose items because obviously with the procedure that I'm going through, I will be getting an incision. So baggy clothes were strongly recommended, and yeah, so I got my loose dresses, and from Kindred Braverly, this motherhood website, they have like literally everything that you need, from nursing pajamas, which is what I ordered, to like the nursing bras, literally anything clothing related that you can think that could make your life so much easier. I think you guys should check that website out in case you're interested in getting any more mama stuff. It's a little expensive, but the quality, it's all about quality, it's worth it. The next item on my list is a robe. Got this baby from Target. So comfortable, y'all. When I tell you, I've been wearing this for a month now, and I cannot wait to be wrapped up in this, cuddled up with my baby. So cozy. But I think this was like $25. Not bad. But yeah, got me my little robe. My haka. Like I said, I plan to breastfeed. In case I do have letdown on the other, we're saving that, okay? Because colostrum, I guess, is like the first form of like breast milk that comes out. So I want to make sure that I have, you know, I don't waste. So this is already sterilized, washed, and everything. So I have it in my little bag here. Non-scented lotion, Aveeno Baby, from me and my hubby after we shower. Some cheap shower shoes that I got from Dollar General, or the dollar store. Not Dollar General, the dollar store. And I have my toiletry bag. Y'all, it's not necessary for me to open this up. Obviously, we have like shower caps in here. Well, I have my lanolin, my nipple cream, toothbrush, toothpaste, all the stuff you need pretty much to just, you know, get your clean on. All that's in here. And one thing that my husband bought for me, this is, I know a lot of people recommended the Frida Baby postpartum kit, but he got this for me. It's a C-section recovery box. Super cute. And it's from Sunflower Motherhood. Let me show this to you guys. In this kit is the mama oil. It's basically for, it says to rub this oil on your curves, belly, boobs, to hydrate the skin and reduce the appearance of stretch marks and scars. Obviously, applying this daily will improve those results. This, I think, is like a cooling pad. So I think it's like, yeah, I have to like ice this up, put it on my incision. And this is a post C-section panty, super high-waisted. And I cannot wait to wear that because I'm a little curious to know how bad this pain is gonna be. These are disposable panties. So I guess after, you know, wearing it the first time, get rid of it. And what is this? A candle. It's lavender. It smells so good. And I believe that's all I have in here. So shout out to my babe, being so thoughtful. This is coming with me to the hospital. Y'all, I'm excited, nervous, feeling all the feels. All right, so next, I think I do have that, I don't know what it's called. It's like this little postpartum, the spray thingy to, like, I guess help you clean your lady parts. The hospital does provide those, but I'm also bringing my own. It was ordered separately. But yeah, and the last thing I am gonna show you guys that, well, not last, forgot. So much more stuff over here. Next item, of course, is the Boppy pillow. Curious to use this for when baby gets here to help with breastfeeding, obviously to avoid touching that incision. So Boppy pillow is coming. Shout out to babe for buying me my own diaper bag. Hat friends. In here, I have a couple of items for the baby so far, but not too much because I hear the hospital gives you a lot. And because I am paying for that through my insurance and probably co-insurance afterwards, I am utilizing every single thing that they provide. So this bag should be partially empty actually, but it is what it is. I'm gonna stuff it as much as I can on the way out. So this is like a car seat cover, and also it's dual use. You can use this for nursing, so you can cover up with that. Got that from Amazon. The announcement sign for baby, since we don't know what we're having yet, still a mystery. Bringing a folder to, you know, obviously put like birth certificate and like all that other information in here that I might need from the hospital, so you can keep that organized. The memory book for the baby. Got this from Amazon for my registry. Definitely want to keep up with, you know, as many memories, first memories as we can. And I ordered, I'm taking advantage of this. Basically my OB recommended doing like a newborn stem cell kit, basically. So what happens is once the baby's born, they collect like blood tissue and stem cells from your umbilical cord. In case of like, God forbid, any illnesses or any like diseases that may arise, they store this in a, I guess, some location in Arizona, some lab where they might be able to retrieve your samples of the baby samples, basically, of the stem cells and blood cells and tissues, to be able to like kind of do research and figure out like what they can do to overturn that illness. So I think as a, you know, precaution, you just never know. So I got a stem cell kit to bring with me. And what happens is when the doctor, after the C-section, she'll put all that stuff in here. I don't know what it looks like. It's not for me to open. But she'll put that stuff in there and a courier will be notified to come pick it up from your hospital room. So simple as that. That's pretty much all I'm keeping in here. I'm not taking too much, like I said, with me pertaining to the baby. There's obviously diapers and other things that you could take, pacifiers, but if the hospital is providing those things for free, well, not really for free, but since I'm paying for it, might as well take advantage. Last but not least, snacks. I got this idea from my cousin-in-law. Basically, there are 2 nurses on staff for each shift that they have. So we're bringing them our own snack kit to keep them, you know, rejuvenated throughout the day. You know, nurses work long hours, so got them some coffee from Starbucks, like gummies, chips, candies. We have 2 bins of these, so that's coming with us. And then lastly, I will be bringing my own snacks for me and my husband. I mean, they gotta stay stocked up. This one I'm super excited about. These are lactation cookies. They're so good. Supposed to help, I guess, like your breast milk supply. So yes, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I could be missing something. I think that I have everything. Obviously the pillows, I'm not going to show those because I showed you the pillowcases, but the pillows are coming with us. Hospitals providing towels, and also they're providing like the water bottle. A lot of people brought their own water bottle to the hospital. I'm a little confused as to why, because they give you like a huge jug with the handle and the straw. So I'm using what they provide. And obviously I'm bringing my laptop for entertainment purposes in case I want to catch up on my shows and movies. For the most part, that's everything. Yeah, let me know, guys, if I'm missing anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Obviously the next video baby will be here, so let's see how that goes with recording and editing. But thank you so much for your time. Bye.